Phrasal verbs with turn.
Turn on. Definition: activate or start something. Example: can you turn on the TV?
Something told me to turn on the radio.
We turn on the news and see.
No, thou shalt not turn on this cell phone.
And this light, you've got to turn on and off with this turny kind of thing.
Every time I turn on the telly, she's there in a pink rubber cat suit.
Turn off. Definition: deactivate or stop something. Example: please turn off the lights when you leave.
I need to talk to you. Turn off the camera.
Oh, does God give you time to turn off the iron, or do your shirts burn?
Don't ever turn off the camera.
John?
Turn it off. Turn off the light.
You have to turn off the fucking camera.
Turn up. Definition: increase the volume or intensity. Appear suddenly. Example: could you turn up the volume? He turned up at the party unexpectedly.
Your name's signed into them, so they'll turn up.
Turn up there.
Where?
I'm sure your sister won't mind if I don't turn up.
Turn up with more on your side than they've got on their side. And turn up when they're least expecting it.
Told you she'd turn up all right.
Turn down. Definition: decrease the volume or intensity. Reject or refuse. Example: turn down the music. It's too loud. She turned down the job offer.
Can you turn down the music?
It's the middle of the night. Turn down the music.
Can you turn on the music? Because we got a noise complaint or some shit.
Can someone turn on the music, please?
Turn out. Definition: produce or manufacture. Result in a particular way. Example: the factory turns out thousands of toys each day. The event turned out better than expected.
I think that Mr. Gray is an enormous, arrogant pain in the arse who could turn out to be trouble.
Well, didn't turn out too good.
It's a nice picture.
That didn't turn out too well.
How did that turn out?
Turn away. Definition: reject or refuse entry. Send someone away. Example: the guard turned away the visitors because the museum was closed.
Don't turn away. Look at me. Look at me.
That's your gift. But sometime you have to turn away, too.
Don't turn away from love, sailor.
Made me want to turn away and never look down again.
Turn in. Definition: submit or hand in. Go to bed. Example: don't forget to turn in your assignment by Friday. I'm tired, so I'm going to turn in early tonight.
What time do I have to turn in my slips?
1 o'clock.
Perhaps we better turn in. Leave them to it.
You know what happens if you do another turn in the joint?
Anyone failing to turn in any homework assignment will be penalized 1 point off their final grade.
Maybe you better turn it.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.